Hey everyone, if your Jotform account is receiving a lot of spam submissions, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several effective ways to reduce or completely stop unwanted entries and keep your forms secure. First, add a CAPTCHA field to your form. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to block automated bots from submitting fake responses. Next, enable Google's Invisible Ray CAPTCHA feature. Yeah, this provides extra protection without making the form harder for real users to complete. If you're getting repeated entries from the same users, try limiting multiple submissions. This setting can help prevent abuse and duplicate responses. Another useful option is email verification. Requiring users to confirm their email address helps filter out many spam accounts. You can also use hidden fields or conditional logic to detect suspicious activity. So these extra checks can make it harder for spam bots to interact with your form. If spam keeps coming from the same source, consider blocking certain IP addresses. Yeah, this can stop repeat offenders from accessing your form. If your form doesn't need to be public, consider limiting access with passwords or private links. This helps reduce exposure to automated spam attacks. Finally, review your submissions regularly and remove suspicious responses. Keeping an eye on activity can help you catch problems early. And that's pretty much it. By enabling these security features, you can greatly reduce spam submissions in Jotform and keep your data clean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.